G'day, here's a piece of Boulder Opal, or rather two pieces. It's from one original piece and it's broken in half. Rules in millimetres, the material is wetted. The white you see there is light reflecting. This is what it was like originally. Just a piece of rock. There's no visible lines as such, colour. And when I've split it open, there's a little pocket inside. These are close to matching, not a perfect match. It's a nice dark blue line of colour through the middle here. Blue's showing. It's green there, but it is blue-green colour. There's the other side showing a little bit there. Anyway, make a little pair perhaps. There it is. You wouldn't know it was there. Hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.